Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Facebook page name. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your menu icon at the bottom right of your screen on Facebook and then switch into your Facebook page. So to switch into your Facebook page, you want to click on pages and it's going to show you your page. My page is HTG. I will click on it and I will click on switch and I just switched into my Facebook page account. Now I can click on menu again at the bottom right. From over here you can see the little setting icon at the top right. I want to click on it. From over here you can see this option called page settings. Click on page setting and the first option says you name. Click on name and from over here you can change your Facebook page name. So my current name is HTG. I can change it to something else like HGG. And if I click on review change, it's going to see my name if it is good or not. If it is good, my name will be changed. But remember this, you can read this note. If you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So remember, if you change your name, you cannot change your name again for 60 days. So if you're okay with that name, then only change it. Otherwise, you are not going to be able to switch it for the next 60 days. I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.